Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will be teaching you how to attach your applique to your dress, whatever style, whatever design you want. I'll be teaching you how to, so let's go right into it. So I already created my applique. If you want to learn how to create it, then I made a video on it already. So you get a matching thread, and afterwards you determine the position whereby you want your applique to stay. So after getting that position, you place it like so. For it to be very easy for you, you can just use your pin to hold it down. So you pass your thread from the back, which is from the lining part. You pass it through the lining to the front of your applique, just like you see me do. Then you go back in. Make sure the space is very tiny, especially if you're not going to be using any pearl to cover it up. So you can just do this 2 or 3 times. And if you do not want any thread or knot in your clothes, so you make sure you pick it in between the main fabric and the lining, instead of going to the back of the lining and coming to the front like that. I made another video on how to achieve this in between. You just pass your thread and needle in between the lining and the fabric. It's very easy and very simple to do. So you just do this 2 or 3 times and it's going to stay, and make sure it's very tiny. So you keep doing this for your applique, depending on the style and the numbers of applique that you want to attach to your dress. So it's very easy to do. You do it 2 or 3 times. So if you want me to make any other video for you, let me know in the comment section. And I already uploaded a video on how to make cut and sew this ball dress. So you just position your applique wherever you want it to be. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye.